Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can create a drop shipping e-commerce website. And for viewers who do not know what drop shipping means, it is basically a e-store that you can list down products that does not belongs to you. But when the customer comes to your store and purchase, you can then buy this product and ship it to your customer from AliExpress. So we are using AliExpress as an example. Okay. So in this video, you will learn how to save a lot of money by comparing to Shopify. So we are not going to use Shopify because it's very expensive. I will teach you how to choose the right hosting company, how to install WordPress and integrate AliExpress program, and how to start your drop shipping business website in a day. So before we start, let us take a look at the Shopify pricing. In order to have a drop shipping website launch via Shopify, you need to pay US $29 per month and plus AliExpress drop shipping app, which is $19 a month. So you need to invest about $50 USD per month if you want to use Shopify to do drop shipping business. So this is pretty expensive, especially if you are a beginner and also if you do not have a lot of budget to start with. So the solution is to do self-hosting. Instead of Shopify, we will use WordPress and we can use Cloudways Hosting, which is a very fast and reliable hosting server that you only need to pay $40 a month. And we will use ALD plugin, which is available for free. Okay, the reason why I want to recommend Cloudways is because it is one of the most affordable cloud hosting provider in the market. Okay, I can share with you an example. So this is the Cloudways website, and if you go to click on the pricing, you can see that you can start from the cheapest plan, which is $14 USD per month to have a cloud hosting for your website, and you can host more than one website with this single plan. Of course, if you are running an e-commerce website, I would highly recommend you to start from the 2 gig plan. But if you are just starting out, want to experience the setup, you can just start with this one first. Okay, so you can see that it's very affordable at $14 per month. If you were to go to SiteGround, for example, and select cloud hosting, you can see that their cheapest plan is at $100 per month. So not every company can give you such a affordable rate. So I find that Cloudways is one of the better ones available so far. Okay, another reason why I recommend Cloudways is because it gives you stable pricing. So over at Cloudways, you just pay $40 every month. There's no pricing shock. So unlike many other hosting, let us take SiteGround as an example. Here we can see that this is the SiteGround website and this is their hosting plan. So if you are paying $2.99 per month, this is only available for first year. So after the first year discount, you will need to pay the regular price at $17.99 per month. So from $2 jump up to $17. So a lot of users may not quite like the pricing jump. So if you are using Cloudways, you just need to pay $40 every month. So there's no increase in pricing. You just pay this every month. So there's no pricing shock. Okay, so the third reason why I recommend Cloudways is you can cancel their plan anytime because it's based on monthly billing. But if you sign up hosting with other hosting company, most require you to pay at least 1 year or 2 year upfront. Okay, so this is my affiliate link to Cloudways Hosting, webbuddy.sg/Cloudways. And when you go through this affiliate link, I also share with you how you can enjoy 2 months of discount. So let's get started. Okay, so to get started, you can just open up a browser and type in the affiliate link webbuddy.sg/Cloudways and hit enter, and after that it will bring you to the Cloudways website. So you can simply click on this button to start free. Okay, so you can start for free for 3 days. There's a free trial 3 days that you don't need to use a credit card, but after that you just need to enter your credit card to enjoy the hosting benefits. Okay, and as you can see that you can allow to host unlimited websites as well. Okay, so to sign up, you just enter your first name and last name. Okay, make sure to enter your real name because Cloudways will be doing some identity verification. They are very strict in new account approval. This is also a very good thing about them so that no one abusing their server. So enter your real name here, email, password, and also the some of the selection over here, and the promo code you just need to enter web body. So let me show you an example. Okay, so after you have put in the option and you click on got a promo code, over here you enter web body. So once you enter this promo code, you'll be saving some money, about 20% from your first 2 months of hosting. So check this box and you click start free. So once you click on this button, start free, you will receive email and the account login information. So I will log into my Cloudways account and show you how to install WordPress. Okay, so when you log into your Cloudways account, your screen will be blank because mine already have some server. So your screen will be blank and there will be a button here that call launch server or add server. So it's the same as clicking this button. So after I click on it, it will ask you to select application. Just select WordPress clean. Okay, and you can just type in any name because this will not be seen to the customer or website visitor, so you can just enter anything. So for selecting your server, make sure you select DigitalOcean. It's the most affordable ones, and also the performance is very good as well. So for the server size, do note that this will impact the pricing that you pay every month. So I would suggest that you select this 1 gig premium. So 1 gig premium is pretty fast, so you can just use this for your website. Okay, so $14 a month. So the location is very important. If you want to target people in US, then you just select a US based server. If you want to target people in Asia, then you can select a Asia-based server. Okay, so I leave this to you. Once you have all the options selected, click launch now. Okay, so after a few minutes, once your server is up, the application has been set up. You can click on the application. My application name is called Test Dropship, and you can see all your application details. So this application means your website. So this is your website. So you can click on this button here. It will show a simple default WordPress website with the temporary URL given to you by Cloudways. So you don't even need to register a domain name first. Okay. So and to log in to your WordPress website, you just need to come over to admin panel, click on this button so that it will open up the login screen and copy the username, paste over and copy the password as well over here. Copy password and paste over here. Okay, after that, click login and you will be able to log in to your new WordPress website. Okay, so now let's install our WooCommerce template. So go to plugins, go to add new plugin and add in a plugin called starter template. So this is a very powerful plugin because you can use this plugin to change the look of your website to make it look like a very professional e-commerce store. So just click install now. So it has been installed, click activate. So once it has been activated, you will come to this screen. So just select this option, build with template, and we are going to create e-commerce store. Okay, so just select e-commerce. And let's start with this template. So just click this template. You can select WooCommerce over here. Okay, so this is the template we are going to install with all the products. Let's click continue. And according to the changes you want, you can change the font or the color. Okay. For now, I'll just use the default setting. And over here, the default page builder, e-commerce contact form, which is the most important features, has been selected. So just click continue. So for this, you just do some selection. Okay, install activate extra theme. Then click submit and build my website. So give it another 3 to 4 minutes for it to complete your website theme. Okay, so after a few minutes, you will see this message, congratulations. Now, once you click on this button, you should see that your website now has changed its outlook to the theme that we have selected. So all these products are demo products, so you can delete them after we import the AliExpress products into your store. Okay, so all these are sample products that you can delete them, so no worries about. So right now, let's move on to the next step. Okay, so now your website already has a WooCommerce, which is e-commerce feature. The next thing now is to integrate with AliExpress. So to do that, you need to have a plugin which is free to use. You can search for, go to add plugins and then search for ALD dropship, and you should see this plugin. ALD dropshipping and fulfillment for AliExpress and WooCommerce. So go ahead and install and activate this plugin. So after activation, you will have this option over here. Okay. So you go to setting, and over here they will ask you to install Chrome extension. So one requirement is that you need to use Google Chrome as your browser. So go ahead and follow the instruction over here to install this extension in your Google Chrome. So I already installed, so I have this button that pop up over here. So the purpose of having this button is that now when you open a new tab and go to AliExpress, let me show you how we can easily import any. Okay, so if I search for men's stock and I will, according to orders, I will start browsing the shop. Okay, or maybe I click on this product. So this is a product that I want to import to my new website. Okay, so they have a lot of variation, a lot of sizes as well, and the cost price only $2. So what I will do is that you will notice that now over here there's a pop-up over here. Okay, so this pop-up is here because they detected you have this Google Chrome extension to do the drop shipping integration to your website. So simply click on this button, import, and it says product is added to import list. So now when I go over to my website and I go to import list, you can see that now I have this product. So from here, I can simply click import now. When I click import now, and now if I go to products, it should show in my products. So this is the product. Okay, so I'm going to change the category. Okay, so the category I'm going to change to men over here and click update. So after I make the changes, I simply go to my store to take a look over here. I click on men. I click on the next page. So now you can see that the product is now in my store. So I click on it, and now people can purchase this product in my store and make payment to me. So once I receive the payment, I then order the product here at AliExpress to ship to them. So this is basically how it works. Okay. So another tip that I want to share with you is that sometimes you see that many people want to buy your product is because of review, but currently this product does not have any review in my store, but it has reviews in AliExpress store. So what I will do is I will import the review as well. So in order to import these reviews, I will need a plugin. So let me show you what plugin you need to use. So go to plugins, add new plugin, and enter this theme called Editorify. Okay. So this is the plugin that I use. Editorify reviews. Install this plugin and activate this plugin and follow the installation instructions. So now I'm over at this product over here. You can see this Editorify is also a Google Chrome extension. So I click on this Google Chrome extension and I click import now, and it will try to connect to my store. Okay. So these are the review. So you can select which review that you want to put up in your store. So maybe I will select this four. Okay. Then I will put in this one. So make sure you select the right product in your store and click import now, and it will start to import the specific review to my store. Okay, so this is a very powerful review import plugin that they have a free plan limited to 50 reviews, I believe, but it's enough for you to start your new website. So after it says it has been imported, let us take a look in our website. Okay, so now let us go to take a look at the product again. Go to man, click on the second page, and then click on the product itself. And once you are on the product page, we can scroll down and click on reviews. Okay. So after a while, it will load up the review powered by Editorify just now that we have imported the review. So now you are able to show review for the product that you import from AliExpress. Okay. So this is how you can do the setup using WooCommerce, using integrate with AliExpress, with the two plugins I mentioned. You can do all this for very affordable fee compared to Shopify. Okay, so I hope that you find this tutorial useful. If you need more information about dropshipping or WooCommerce or any plugin, just feel free to comment in the description below, and I will do up a separate video on that. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.